as we now pause and see nature in all her glory, as if with new eyes, we learn again and again about ourselves. This story emerged from such a moment of pause, and the photos captured that moment. The Poppy and the Sun by Sandhya Seshadri. Photos by Aditi and Anjana Seshadri. The sun stretched her arms around the earth, and slowly the light and warmth filled the soil, the leaves, the grass, and the flowers. The cool morning air and dewdrops slowly began warming up. However, the morning air was still a little cool for a poppy bud, who wrapped herself tighter in her green coat made of 3 sepals. As she tugged tighter at the sepals, she wondered why it was so tight. She felt a snap, and one sepal ripped. She pulled harder, and the other side burst. She couldn't understand why she was getting bigger so rapidly. Scared, she wrapped her petals even more tightly, bent her head inward, and prayed, "Please, please, please, let me not fall apart. I've just begun to grow." A gentle breeze whispered, "Let go and see what happens." But the breeze was too cold, so the sun bathed the poppy bud with her warm light and said, "Wake up, open your petals and look at me." The poppy could feel her petals stretch towards the warmth, and with each stretch her coat burst more and more, till the 3 sepals sat separated on her head like 3 hats. She still wasn't ready to let them go. Her world lay inside the coat. She worried that the coat that had split into 3 hats made her look more ridiculous, and at the same time she was terrified of letting it go. The breeze sighed again and blew a little harder, and this time one sepal fell off, and her petals, that were in search of some warmth, moved out to feel the sun's warmth a little more. I'm not ready, she said. I wish I could crawl back into my coat again." Little by little, each of her petals stretched out more, and soon all 3 sepals fell off. Unsure and scared, she opened her petals up. Her stamens stood tall, and the sun bathed her with warmth. As the breeze rocked her gently, she reached out to the sun, who shone brighter by now. Having bloomed, she smiled again. She was still a poppy, except now she was bigger, more beautiful, and ready to embrace a wonderful world. Change is never painful. Only the resistance to change is painful. Good luck.